pre-qualify, pre-approval. That's how I got this Discover card. Now I'm going to show you 30 different websites. That's 30 that you can go to pre-qualify, get pre-approval, do soft pulls. Spent 5 days doing this, 5 days of homework, 5 days of research, all for you. Let's go. Here we go. We have the Apple Card. Applying just a few minutes. This is a complete soft pull. Does not impact your credit score. Let's go to the next one. We have the Tomo Card. The Tomo Card is a soft pull. We never pull your credit. This is an actual credit card. You see down here, it's a credit card. Let's go to the next one. We have the Avent card. The Avent card, apply in minutes. It's an actual MasterCard. It does not affect your credit score. Let's go to the next one. We have US Alliance Financial. This is an actual financial institution. You can get pre-qualified for a credit card. Now let's go to the next one. We have Key Point Credit Union. Let's take a look at what they have. Different kinds of credit cards. Get pre-qualified. Wow, no impact on your credit score. This is amazing. Let's go to the next one. We have Wayfair. This is not a store card. This is an actual MasterCard credit card. Let's go to the next one. We have Merrick Bank. Been around for over 20 years. Merrick Bank right here. See if you're a match. Get pre-qualified offers. No hard pull, soft pull only. Wow, pre-qualification only, pre-approval only. Let's go to the next one. We have Credit One, pre-qualify for a credit card. Is anyone else doing this? No. All the hours, all the homework, I did it for you.